Hello everyone. Today I have come up with some important informations regarding the SE matter. Today topic is classification of living beings. It's equally important for SE appearing student as well as supplementary students. That means the students who are going to appear in the supplementary exam of SE 2080. So what we are going to discuss today is classification of living beings. It's a unit 2. It's working hour 9 and mark weight is 4 plus minus 2. And learning outcomes. After the completion of this unit, student will be able to classify plants and animals on the basis of 5 kingdom systems and explain the characteristics of each division of plants and each phylum of animals with their examples. Similarly, classify subdivision or angiosperm up to class and compare their classes. Classify the subphylum vertebrata up to the class and compare their classes. Describe the relationship between classification of living being and evolutions. So here are some lesson notes, some important notes that is drawn out from the lessons. And first is classification of living beings. What is classification of living beings? It is the process of systematic arrangement of organisms into different groups on the basis of their characteristic features. And in the animal kingdom, under invertebrates, there are altogether 9 phyla. Singular is phylum, and first phylum is Porifera. Characteristics features. They have numerous pores. They are called ostia. The small numerous pores are present on the body of the poriferans and they are called ostia. And the organisms are multicellulars. They are found in water. Respiration takes place through the body surface. And they feed on materials as well as excretion through osculum. They feed food materials as well as excretion through osculum. And the examples of porifera are sponges, cycon, spongilla, etc. Now second phylum is Coelenterata. Characteristic features. They have cylindrical body. They are aquatic animal. Their body is diploplastic. Diploplastic means there are two layers in their body, two germ layer in the embryonic development. During their embryo stage, their body has two layers. Di means two. Diploplastic means two layer body. And tentacles helps for locomotions. They have tentacles, finger-like projections on their body. They are called tentacles. They help for locomotions. Respiration takes place through body surface. They respire through body surface. Some examples of Coelenterata are hydra, coral, jellyfish, obelia, etc. These are some examples of Coelenterata. Now next is Platyhelminthes. Next phylum is Platyhelminthes. Characteristic feature of Platyhelminthes are they have flat body. Platy means flat. Flat body, so that they are also called flatworms. They are hermaphrodite animals. Hermaphrodite meaning is bisexual. Means both sex organ, male and female sex organ are present on the same body, so they are hermaphrodite or bisexual animal. Their body is bilaterally symmetrical. Bilaterally symmetrical means body can be divided into two lateral parts by cutting through their axis. Hook and suckers are present on their body. Generally they are endoparasite. Endoparasite means they are parasite which insert in the body of the host and suck the blood and nutrients. Their body is triploblastic. Triploblastic means they have three layers. in their body during embryo stage. Example of platyhelminthes are tapeworm, planaria, blood fluke, etc. Similarly, nemathelminthes, they are roundworms, they are endoparasites, their body is bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic like platyhelminthes. Sexes are separate, means they are unisexual. Male and female are separate. Example, Ascaris, roundworm, Hookworm, pinworm, etc. Another phylum is Annelida. Characteristic features. They have cylindrical and metamerically segmented body. Metamerical means externally as well as internally segmented body. They are hermaphrodite animals like platyhelminthes and generally found in moist soil. Body is bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic. Triploblastic means 3 layers. They respire through skin. Alimentary canal is developed. Example, earthworm, leech, nereis, etc. Phylum is Arthropoda. Characteristic features: they have jointed leg. They are cosmopolitan in distribution. Cosmopolitan in distribution means they are widely distributed in air, water, and on land. It means they are found everywhere. Cosmopolitan meaning is found everywhere. Body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, chest region, and abdomen. Sexes are separate. They have internal fertilization. Internal fertilization means if the fusion of male and female gamete takes place inside the body, that is called internal fertilization. They have compound eyes. Compound eyes means they're powerful eyes with the help of which they can see things around them without rotating their head. Example is spider, ant, crab, centipede, millipede, butterfly, bee, grasshopper, and mainly all insects lies in the phylum Arthropoda. Similarly, next phylum is Mollusca. Characteristic features: they have soft body within hard shell. They have muscular feet made up of only muscles. Body is asymmetrical. Asymmetrical means their body cannot be divided into 2 equal halves in any way. They are unisexual, means sexes are separate, male and female. Example, slug, snail, unio, octopus, etc. Octopus is animal having 3 hearts. For next phylum is Echinodermata. Characteristic feature: this phylum include animals which have spiny body covered with spiny hard cover made up of calcium carbonate. They are exclusively marine. Marine means they are found in salty water. Their body may be star-like, elongated, globular, or flower-like. Locomotion occurs with the help of 2 feet. With the help of 2 feet, they travel or move from one place to another. Sexes are separate. Body is radially symmetrical. Radially symmetrical means their body is somehow circular and they can be cut in any way through the radius and can be divided into 2 equal halves. Examples are starfish, sea urchin, and sea cucumber. Now phylum Chordata. It lies under developed organism. Phylum Chordata. Chordata have special features. They have notochord, they have nerve cord, and they have pharyngeal gill slits. And they have closed type of circulatory system. That means blood flows through the blood vessels. Now under phylum Chordata, there is subphylum Vertebrata. Vertebrata, meaning of vertebrata means that animals under the subphylum Vertebrata have backbone or vertebral column in their body, so they are kept under the subphylum Vertebrata. Characteristic features: they have notochord, they have nerve cord, they have pharyngeal gill slits, they have closed type of circulatory system. Now under the subphylum Vertebrata there are 5 classes. Class Pisces. Characteristic features. Pisces means all the fishes lies under the class Pisces. Body is long and streamlined, divided into head, trunk, and tail. Streamlined means boat shape, that is pointed at the end. They have two-chambered heart, that is one auricle and one ventricle. Body is usually covered with waterproof scales. Respiration takes place through gills. So gills are the respiratory organ of all the Pisces. Locomotion performs by the help of fins and tails. Example, all fishes, seals, etc. Next is class Amphibia. Characteristic features: the skin is thin, smooth, moist, and respiratory in nature. Body is divided into head and trunk. Respiration takes place through skin when they are in water, lungs when they are on land, and gills when they are in tadpole stage. They have three-chamber heart, three rooms in their heart. For example, frog, toad, salamander, etc. Class Reptilia. General characteristics: body is divided into head, neck, trunk, and tail. Body is covered with dry and conified scales. These are true land vertebrates. Skin is dry and contains few glands. For example, skin tortoise, lizard, crocodile, chameleon, etc. Next class is apes. Characteristic features: they have wings to fly, body is covered with feathers. They have four-chamber heart, two auricles, two ventricles. Their body can be divided into head, neck, trunk, and tail. They lay eggs and fertilization is internal. They lay egg means they are oviparous. They respire through lungs. They contain hollow bones and air sacs. For example, dove, crow, sparrow, duck, hen, kiwi, ostrich, etc. Class Mammalia. Classification. Class Mammalia. Characteristic features: they give direct birth to their young ones and suckle them. They have mammary glands. They are viviparous and fertilization is internal. Their body is covered with hairs, fur. They have four-chamber heart. Respiration takes place through lungs. They have pair of external air pinna. Example: human, bat, whale, dog, cat, elephant, mouse, horse, etc. Sorry. Now, next is classification of plants. Kingdom Plantae. Characteristic features: they are eukaryotic. Eukaryotic means their bodies develop. Cells with true nucleus. They are autotrophs due to presence of chlorophyll. It means they can prepare their food by themselves. They have cell wall as outer covering of their cell. They store food in the form of starch. They reproduce both sexually and asexually. Kingdom Algae. General characteristics: they are autotrophs. They are aquatic plants, means they grow in water. Some are unicellular and some are multicellular. They reproduce both asexually as well as sexually. Examples: Spirogyra, Fucus, Bulbox, Nostoc, Ulothrix, Chlamydomonas, etc. Next revision is Bryophyta. General characteristics: they are multicellular and autotrophs. They grow in moist place. They have root-like structures called rhizoids for absorption and fixations. They show alternation of generation in their life cycle, meaning is their life cycle consists of two generations. One is sporophyte, in which they reproduce by spores, and another is gametophyte, in which they reproduce by the fusion of male and female gametes. Examples are moss, Liberotia, Merkensia, etc. Next division is Tracheophyta. General characteristics. They are well-developed plants. They contain vascular tissue like xylem and phloem. They may be half sub or tree. They are divided into three subdivisions, namely Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm, and Angiosperm. Example: fern, Lycopodium, pine, cycas, maize, mustard, etc. Subdivision Pteridophyta. Characteristic features: they are most developed plants of non-flowering groups. They have feather-shaped leaves. They have well-developed complex tissue like xylem and phloem. This alternation of generation in their life cycle, their bodies divided into root, stem, and leaves. Example: fern, Lycopodium, Selaginella, fiddlehead fern, Equisetum, Pteris, etc. Subdivision Gymnosperms. Characteristic features: they are naked-seeded plants. They are cone-bearing plants. Their leaves are needle-like. They grow in extreme climate. Extreme climate meaning is either too hot or too cold climate. Example: cycas, pine, that is pinus, fir, deodar, etc. Subdivision Angiosperm. Characteristic features: seeds are enclosed in fruits. Plant body is differentiated into root, stem, and leaves. They may be small hops, spiny shrubs, or tall trees. Fruits and seeds are produced. Example: maize, mustard, gram, bamboo, rose, rice, wheat, mango, etc. Angiosperm is divided into two classes. One is class Monocotyledon. Characteristic features: there is only one cotyledon in the seed. The leaves show parallel venation. They have fibrous root system. Parts of their flower will be three or multiple of three. Example: maize, wheat, rice, onion, sugarcane, banana, bamboo, garlic, etc. Similarly, another class is dicotyledon. They are two cotyledon. They have two cotyledon in the seed. Two cotyledon in the seed. The leaves show reticulate venation. Reticulate venation means one main vein and there are more branching from the veins. They have taproot system. Taproot system means there is one main root and from their secondary and tertiary roots are grown up. Such root system is called taproot system. Parts of their flower will be 4, 5 or their multiples. Example: pear, apple, mustard, gram, pea, mango, etc. Now multiple choice question that carry 1 marks. Who introduced two kingdom system of classification of organism? Obviously Carolus Linnaeus. Who introduced 5 kingdom system of classification of organism? R.H. Whitaker. Parallel venation with fibrous root system is characteristic feature of obviously monocot plant. Which of the following is single cell fungi? Obviously yeast. Which set of features best describe plantae? Eukaryotic cell, cell with cell wall, and autotrophs is the correct answer. Cycas is kept in gymnosperm because It has cones instead of flower and has naked seed. Triploblastic means having 3 layers of skins. Triploblastic meaning is having 3 layers of skin. Which of the following is the first unicellular eukaryotes? Unicellular eukaryotes, that is Protista. Which of the following phyla contains multicellular, sessile and pore-bearing animal? Obviously, Porifera. Porifera. Which of the following phyla has elongated, cylindrical, unsegmented, unisexual animal? Obviously, Nemathelminths. It is also called Aschelminths. What are locomotory organs of amoeba? Pseudopodia. Correct answer is Pseudopodia. What are respiratory organs of arthropods? Skin, gills and trachea. What are locomotory organs of mollusca? Obviously muscular feet. All green plants are autotrophs, which means they can prepare their own food. What is the meaning of thallus body of algae? Thallus body of algae meaning it has no differentiable root stem in leaves. Obviously this is the correct answer. There is no differentiation of body into root stem and leaves. What do you mean by ostia and osculum present in porifera? Correct answer, ostia are minute pores, smaller pores, and osculum is largest pore. Why do doves belong to class F's, that's F's class? Because they are oviparous, they have pneumatic bones and feathers. Pneumatic bone means spongy bone, hollow bone. Poriferan are diploblastic. What does it mean? It means two germ layers are present in the embryonic stage. What is cephalothorax? Fused head and thorax is called cephalothorax. Thorax means like chest region. Cows belong to mammals. Why? Because it has 4-chamber heart. It is viviparous, means directly gives baby in the birth. And mammary gland, breast gland. What are locomotory organ of Hydra called? Locomotory organ of Hydra are tentacles. What is hollow cavity in Hydra called? It is obviously Coelenteron. Which phylum include starfish, cucumber and sea urchin? Obviously Echinodermata. What are features of chordata? Presence of notochord, knobchord and pharyngeal gill sheaths. Which of the following is an example of platyhelminthes? Obviously Tapetum is the correct answer. Which subphylum of chordata includes shark? Obviously Vertebrata. Which reptile has 4-chamber heart? Obviously crocodile. Crocodile is only the reptile which has 4-chamber heart like mammals and apes. Which of the following show the differences between seahorse and horse? Seahorse is oviparous whereas horse is viviparous. Horse is viviparous. Horse is viviparous. Which of the following groups belong to angiosperm? Pear, deep banana, mango is the correct answer. Which of the following is the division of plants having vascular tissues? Obviously Tracheophyta. To which kingdom do following organisms belong to? To which kingdom do the organism having cell wall belong? Obviously fungi, Plantae and Monera. To which two animals are shown in the figure below? They belong to the same kingdom. Look at the following figure and answer the following questions. Multicellular and have various organ systems. Multicellular and heterotrophic. Multicellular and parasitic. Multicellular and oviparous. Most probably this answer. Why are club mosses more advanced than mosses? Xylem and phloem are found in club moss. To which class do egg-laying animals with four-chamber heart and body covered with feather belong? Obviously, apes. Birds. A statement and two arguments are given below. Statement: plant area is kept in Platyhelminthes phylum. Plant area has flat body. Argument 1. Argument 2 is it has mouth but no anus. Statement: plant area is kept in Platyhelminthes phylum. Plant area has flat body. It has mouth but no anus. Correct answer is the statement and both arguments are correct. Okay, thank you this much for today, and in next lesson we'll discuss about short questions, very short questions. That's from section B, and section C short questions, and section D long questions of this chapter classification of units. Till then, please prepare the lesson. Thank you. Bye.